Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are solving another LeetCode question of array where we have to find the sub array with the largest product in the given integer array. So let's do it. Here is the problem. Given an integer array nums, we need to find a contiguous sub array that has the largest product, then return that product. To make it clear, let's look at some examples. Number 1, if the nums array is 2, 3, minus 2 and 4, then the sub array would be 2 and 3, has the largest product 6. Then for the array minus 2, 0 and minus 1, the max product is 0 because any sub array that includes 0 has a product of 0. Then to solve this problem efficiently, we'll use a dynamic programming approach to keep track of both the max and minimum products up to each position in the array. Here is why. When we encounter a negative number, the maximum product so far can suddenly become the minimum if multiplied by this negative number. So at each position we need to keep track of both max product and the min product. Here is how we can do that. First we have to initialize the max product and min product and the result to the first element in nums. Then loop through the array updating max and min based on the current number. If the number is negative, we'll swap max and min to account for the effect of the negative. Finally, update the result to track the maximum product seen so far. So here is the code. You can have it from my Notion note. I'll provide the link in the description. Now let's move to LeetCode ID. First we have to take care of one edge cases, which is if the array is empty. So for that, nums is equals to null and nums is equals to and nums dot length, which is basically 0. So for such condition we have to return 0. Okay. Now after this we have to initialize max product, min product and our result. I'll name those variable as max and min. So max is equals to nums of 0, same for min of num 0, same result with num 0, and we'll initialize all of this with the first element of the array. After this we have to iterate through the array starting from the second element, and yeah, so I is equals to 1, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Our current value would be the second value of the array, so nums of I, which is 1. Then if the current number is negative, then we have to swap that number with min, because if any number is multiplied with minimum, if any max is multiplied with negative number, it becomes a minimum number. So we have to swap those values. So we have to use a swapping condition. Temp is equals to max. In max we put the value of min, and in min we put the value of temp. Yeah. Okay. Now we have to update our max product and our min product. For that we'll use the math function of max. So max is equals to math dot max of current and max multiply current, which is max multiply of current. Same with min would be math of dot min current and min multiply of current. Okay. After this we have to update the result with the maximum product we have found so far. So result is equals to math dot max with result and the max. After this we'll return the value result. Okay, now let's run this. It will clear all the test cases, of course, because I've tried that before. So yeah, case 1, case 2 have been solved, and now we'll submit this. Yeah, done. So thanks for watching. In next video we'll be doing another one. So and like and subscribe the channel. That's it.